here. We're just gonna lay down on our side. Rest that head in our hands. Stack your hips, keep yourself nice and straight. Rotate that top leg so that your heels are kissing, making a little V. Make sure your abs are up and in, just lift and lower. Here we go. Lift and lower, good. Up, reach out. When you lower that leg, you're reaching out through those toes. It's almost like you're trying to make the top leg longer than the lower leg. Ooh, that's good. Really reach. I love this kind of work down here. You know, it's very similar to what we do when we're standing up at the bar, but I love coming down and doing these Pilates-inspired moves, really isolating those muscles. 4, 3, leave it up here. We're going to tap front, lift, tap to the back, lift. Now the trick is we're trying to keep those hips nice and stable. Lift, tap it forward, lift, ooh, and lift, down, lift. Remember, try not to let those obliques fall down. We're laying down, but we're not taking a nap. To the front, lift, down, one more time, down, lift, woo, nice. All right, bring it behind you. Gonna kick it forward twice. Kick forward, twice, kick back. Abs up and in. And I'm kicking my curtains like I knew I would. So you're gonna get that booty in the back. Try to keep those hips stable. I know it's hard. And back, take it forward, take it back. Let's do a couple more of those. Forward, oh, and back. One more. Take it forward, take it back. Good. Bring those legs straight. Flex that foot. You're going to, pushing through that heel, lift, and then just lower halfway. Lift, halfway. Lift, halfway. We're not bringing it back down to those inner thighs. Lift, halfway. Up, down. Oh, right here. Can you feel that? Pull those abs up and in. Lift, down. Really press through that heel so you can feel that leg lengthening. Lift, lower. Oh, my goodness. 4, 3, 2. All right, can you lift both legs? Both legs. Ah, lift. That's hard. Gotta hold those abs up and in. Lift and lower. Oh, yes. Lift. Take it down. 4, 3. Can you hold them up? Go for a little walk. Little walk. Woo! That's tough. I know. Oh, my hips are like, what is happening? Come on. 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Let's just take our top leg, bring it forward. You can sort of pat in your ankle here. And you're gonna lift and lower that bottom leg. We're gonna flex it first. Lift and lower. So now we can get that inner thigh there. Lift and lower. Oh, that's hard. Lift, lower. Oh, my goodness. 4, 3, reach through that heel. 1. Oh, that was good. Okay, let's go to the other side. You don't need much of these exercises to feel it. So come on down on the other side. Rest that head in your hands. Again, stacking up those hips nice and straight. We don't want to collapse into the mat, right? Abs up and in, protecting those obliques. Rotate those heels, making a little V, lift and lower. Lift, reach through those toes. You're extending through that top leg, like you're trying to make it longer than that bottom leg. You got this. Lift and lower. And we're trying not to wobble our hips, right? Hold steady. You got this. Up, reach out, lift, reach it out, up. Oh my gosh, I love these moves. Lift. All right, let's just hold it at the top. Tap it forward. Tap forward, lift, tap to the back, lift. Forward. It's hard to keep your hips stable. I know. Bring it forward. Lift, tap back, abs up and in. We don't want to fall over, take a nap. We're working hard. And up, take it forward. Lift to the back. That's not officially part of it. That's just what it's like. Tiny space, big workout, right? And that's the good news about these is you can do these anywhere. You really don't need a lot of space. Kick it forward. Ooh, keep those hips stable. I know it's hard. Forward. Kick it back. You got this. 4, 3, last 1, 2, 1. Good. All right. Flex those feet. We're going to lift it, lower halfway. Lift, halfway. Lift. Don't touch that inner thigh. We're not bringing it all the way down. Just lift, halfway. Really reach through that heel. Almost like you're ready to stomp something over there. I don't know what. Whatever's frustrating you, just stomp it out. Up and lower. Oh, that's tough. You got this. 4, 3. All right, both legs if you can. Lift, lower. If you don't like this, just stick with that exercise we were just doing. And lower. Again, we're trying not to roll this way. Stay up, really strong. Lift and lower. 4, 3. Hold them up. Go for your walk. Little walk. Oh, I know that's tough. Oh, so tough. Teeny tiny walk. But it's fun, right? This is really a fun move. 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring them down. Awesome. Bring this top leg bent. Remember, you can sort of tap in that ankle. Bring it up here. Flex that foot. Lift and lower that bottom leg. Lift and lower. Reaching through that heel. Oh, that feels good. And that is tough. See what I mean? You don't need a lot. This is just a great workout for that lower body. Really good exercises. What I love is they're strengthening us, but they're also lengthening our body. And that's what we want, those long, lean muscles, right? Lift and lower. 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. Let's roll onto our back. Good job, guys. All right, just roll into your back. Hug those knees into your chest. Rock around on that spine a little. And then you can extend those legs long. Reach those arms up over your head. Pull that navel into your spine. Full body stretch. Oh, feel those fingertips and toes reaching in opposite directions. Really reach and breathe. And you can hug those knees into your chest. And then carefully just round up to seated. Great job, guys. That was fun, huh? I love that kind of work. I love working at the bar, but I also love coming down and just fine-tuning those muscles with those moves. So I hope you like this video. Subscribe to my channel. Tell your friends. And hey, when you subscribe, make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when my new videos drop. You can follow me on Instagram at MollyAtTheBar. You can visit my website, MollyAtTheBar.com. I look so proud of you for coming today to take care of your health for both your head and your heart. Until next time.